Hey guys, Will here. I got a dirt bike yesterday. It needs a lot of work though. Like that. Oof. We can't really use a kill switch. This, if anyone watches this who knows a lot about dirt bikes, tell me if it's good with tape on there or if I need to get that completely fixed. The brakes are, messed up. There's no hand grip for this, but the brakes don't work. Then the exhaust has some problems. So I'm gonna have to take care of all that. The chain is sort of loose, but should be good. Yeah, for the most part, it's from Japan. So that's, I don't know if that's good or not. Yeah. It's not too bad. Alright guys, that's Will. And I'll make another video soon. See y'all later.